If you've ever searched for a chat, channel, group, or message on Telegram and then couldn't remember the exact term you used, this quick tutorial is going to help. In today's video, I'm showing you how to check your Telegram search history in just a few seconds so you can easily find your recent searches without guessing or retyping everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To check your recent search history on Telegram, first open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once you're inside the app, look at the top of the screen and click or tap the search bar. This is the same search bar you normally use to look for messages, contacts, channels, or groups. As soon as you select it, a drop-down menu will appear showing your recent queries. These are the last searches you made on Telegram, so you can quickly see what you typed before. If you're on mobile, you may see a list of recent searches appear below the bar automatically. If you're on desktop, the results should appear right away in the search drop-down as well. From there, you can tap any recent search to open it again instantly. This is especially useful if you're trying to return to a channel you found earlier, revisit a conversation, or continue searching for something you almost remember but not quite. Keep in mind that Telegram only shows recent search activity inside the app, so if you don't see anything, it may simply mean you haven't searched for much recently, or your app data may have been cleared. If needed, you can also start typing a new word into the search bar and Telegram will still keep showing related search suggestions and your recent items. It's a very simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you use Telegram often. So again, the whole process is just opening Telegram, clicking the search bar at the top, and checking the recent queries in the drop-down menu. That's it. Super quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.